All of the greatest artists in American culture have been replaced by yuppies. Totally replaced by yuppies, completely. If you don't even have to look at TV, or music. Look at the most critically acclaimed American films. Look at it's all dinner theater for the rich. The king who can't speak right. The suffering ballerina. It's like the yuppies are having their own 1960s. It's hysterical. You may not think it's funny, but believe me, it's hysterical in front of a black crowd. You've got the guy on the Hawaiian island who just doesn't know what to do with his family's inheritance. I mean, really riveting pathos. It's all the burden of privilege. It's hysterical because the ruling class is trying to have their own counterculture. And it's hysterical, and they don't know they're the ruling class. The Harvard students struggling over who's gonna own the technology. And my favorite of all, the heroic white women helping out the black maids. Anyway, it's very uncomfortable stuff. And this is the fun, and it gets funnier, even though you don't think so. It gets funnier. None of the comedians are talking about it. None of the comedians in Hollywood or New York, anywhere, are talking about this. Which is and 5 minutes is not enough time, ladies and gentlemen, to go into why the American comedy has declined. But I will just say this, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm doing right now, this was over as soon as Eddie Murphy became the 5 farting fat people. This was over. It was over. It was over. As soon as the baddest dude in the world went retard,